Welcome to NAB 2022. We're here at the Datavideo booth. In case you missed it, I'm going to give you a quick tour of what we have. This is the Showcast 100. It's our brand new 4K 60p all-in-one video production switcher. Switching, camera control, streaming and recording, all built in. Super cool product. Moving along, we have our brand new pan tilt zoom heads with a brand new Zeek 2. This allows you to turn any Micro Four Thirds camera into a PTZ. We're even showing it with the Sony Z150 where you can turn it into a PTZ camera as well. Moving along, we have our ROI production switchers. This is the KMU 100. Take one 4K camera in or two 4K cameras in, get your regions of interest, send it out. We have an all-in-one solution. It's the KMU 200, one 4K camera, regions of interest. You can move it around, size it, position, built-in recording and streaming, all in one. Super awesome product. Okay, of course, we can't forget all of our AV accessories, all our video converters. We actually have a brand new audio delay box, simple one inline, AD300, 3 mic pre's built into it. And of course, moving along, we have all of our encoders, we have our decoders. We even have our capture boxes, HDMI in, USB 3 out, or SDI in, USB 3 out. Super awesome products. And then moving along, of course, we have our brand new remote control, remote production capabilities built in. I've got SRT support here. I've got our BB1 so I can set them on my remote locations. As a matter of fact, I have here a camera in LA. I can actually move the camera around, see the camera around on my iPad. Again, we're using the BB1, which creates a secure network in DV Cloud. Now I can do remote productions anywhere in the world, only from Datavideo. We make it super easy. Moving along, we have next our 1080p single operator solution. This is one of my favorite switchers, HDBaseT, so single cable solution. Again, you got your video mixing, you got your camera control, recording to SD card, streaming in the back, close the lid up. Now I've got a fly pack on the go. So this is the HS1600T, all based around HDBaseT technology. And then lastly, we have all of our HDBaseT solutions as well. We have the HBT50, which is our 4-channel receiver box, converts HDBaseT to SDI. We have the SE3200 switcher, and then all of our other HDBaseT products, which include the HBT30. It also includes our HDBaseT transmitter box. And there you have it. There's the booth tour from NAB 2022. Be sure to follow us on all of our social media channels, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.